Welcome to IntegratED. In this episode, we will be showing you interesting ways to use Google Sheets in your classroom. This tool is in your G Suite of applications and hosts a wide variety of ways to collect and manipulate data. Hi, I'm Kyle Wood.
That's right, Kyle. Hello, I'm Sean Markwith. Today we will talk about the scientific method, the way elementary students can graph, and as well as practice with spelling, all inside Google Sheets. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first one is collecting and analyzing data. This is brought to you by the Chromebook Classroom. It talks about the scientific method and using M&Ms to ask questions, create a hypothesis, as well as at the end, display and determine if the hypothesis was correct, all inside the Google Sheet.
Our next idea comes from Christine Pinto and Alex Keeler, authors of Google Apps for Littles. Practice sorting and counting objects for kindergartners, then graph the results in sheets. Students learn ways to color multiple cells that are selected. Not sure how to create this sheet? You can find a template in the links below.
Did you know that sheets can do more than just numbers? In this example, they can spell too. That is brought to you by Megan Kelly from iHeartEducation. Practice spelling is usually unrewarding, so this gives the students a way to manipulate, and then the coloring of the cell will change when it is correct. You also can include images inside cells to make spelling a little bit more fun for our elementary folks.
That's all the time we have today for this episode on Google Sheets. If you're looking for more resources, please check them out in the links below, or you'll find even more on bit.ly/GastonDigital.
Remember to contact your instructional technology facilitator if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below and also click the bell so that way you get notifications on new videos. We'll see you next time.
Curious about other uses of technology in the classroom? Check out these episodes for more ideas and visit bit.ly/GastonDigital for all of your instructional technology facilitators resources.